What have I done? Oh my goodness. Guys, so as you saw from the clip before this, my desk slash vanity makeup desk, whatever you want to call it, is a mess. Like, it's terrible. So I thought that I'd do, like, I don't even know what this is going to be considered because I'm going to be cleaning it, but it's not going to be like a time lapse because I don't have, like, I mean, it's a mess, but like it could be worse. So I think what I'm going to do is kind of walk through it and kind of just make it like a talkative, clean my makeup desk with me kind of video. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So we're going to start over here. So this is the first thing. So it's just like an e.l.f. brush, so I'm just going to put that away. This is kind of like an awkward video, so I think I'm going to start with all of the brushes that are over here. So I just have this Ulta Beauty, like, small brush, my highlighting brush, this Eco Tools brush, I have this, like, oval brush. This is such a boring video, I didn't realize that until now. I have this, like, e.l.f. spoolie and brow thing. I actually really like that. Okay, so we have the brushes done over here. Now, why don't we do primers? I only own 2 primers, so that's awesome. Okay, so I need to find the cap. This is the Benefit Professional Primer. Just put that away. Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I tried them both out, and in my opinion, they're basically the same. And I just have these 2 concealers. This is the CoverGirl Concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape. Put those away. I'm just putting those over there, if you can see them right there. Anyways, this is like good. Okay. Then I just have my Coty Airspun, which I'm going to put inside of this thing. Okay, wait, actually, hold on. Let me take care of this stuff right now. Alright, we'll take care of palettes. I have this e.l.f. Blush, Cream Blush palette, which putting my palettes up there. You can see that. So I have that. Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Great palette. It's like a really good, like, starter palette. I have the Too Faced Brow Envy palette. That was really loud. I apologize. So those are the palettes that I had. Oh, I missed a brush. This is the Wet n Wild contouring brush. I just have eyelash curler, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, which doesn't even fit in its spot. The Tarte bronzer, which goes in there. The Too Faced melted liquid lipstick, which goes in this drawer that, like, I just decluttered, but, like, it's completely full. Just some oil absorbing things, which goes in there. Okay, now we can do what I was planning on doing. So I have this box right here that is, like, a mess. Like, this shouldn't be in there, this shouldn't be in there. So it just has, it's kind of just, like, random stuff, but, like, needs to be kind of put back together. I had, like, EOS things right here, I thought, and then I put, like, my headband in there. It literally is just full of random stuff that doesn't have a spot, but, you know, that's okay. Let me take care of all this trash. Oh, wait, this is still wet. I'm going to keep that because I'm going to need it in a little bit to take my makeup off if I want to film another video after this. I have the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Oh, I totally missed this. Okay. The Tarte Man-Eater Mascara, which, it's really weird. Okay, hold on, I have to show you this. I put this, like, random, like, cardstock, so I have, like, my highlights right there, and then I have my mascaras in the back, some of them. It's kind of funny. Oh, yeah, I just got this thing. You'll probably see it in, like, an upcoming video. Yeah, so that's that. I have the Tarte highlighter, Rescue Rose Water facial spray that needs to be put away. I just got this, and it's pretty good. I like it quite a bit, in all honesty. Getting there, I just have, like, packaging from stuff that's, like, everywhere that needs to be taken care of. I have some scissors. This is what it is looking like. This, can you see me? I can't even tell. This, I slide, like, under here, like that. These should not be here. This needs to be put away. Ugh, that was so difficult. I'll just keep those there for now. My hairbrush, so cute. That needs to be dealt with. Okay, we're getting somewhere in our lives. Yeah, I use this to, like, clip your brush. Don't ask. Told you to not ask, okay? Alright, it's clean. I mean, it needs to be wiped down, but it's clean at least. It looks somewhat decent now. Here's the overview. Oh, wait, that's not closed all the way. Ta-da! Yay, I'm so happy. Okay, alright. We're good to go. Yay. Official. I think I just made the most boring video you have ever watched. Yay. I'm so sorry. That was the most terrible video I have ever created. I thought that it'd be much more entertaining, but it really wasn't. So I'm still gonna upload it because you gotta see my failure videos as well. So, yeah. See you guys. I don't know why I keep doing that. I'll see you guys in my next video, which will hopefully be coming soon. Bye.